Hi all, welcome to my channel. All the things I will be using will be mentioned in the description box. So today we will be using two colors. One is jet black and the other is violet from Beyond Inks. So here I am adding some IPA. I am adding few drops of violet and few drops of jet black. Here I am trying to mix these colors and adding few drops of gold. So now with the help of a hairdryer I am trying to create lines here, or you can call them as ripples. You just need to wave the hairdryer and then wait for 1-2 seconds and then again wave it back. I'm adding some IPA. Ink is getting little thicker and it was difficult to move. Here I'm adding again some violet ink and gold, some IPA. You could see we have got some beautiful lines here. So just keep on adding IPA whenever you think the ink is getting thicker and it's difficult to move it. I'm adding jet black on the top section. On the top section again I'm adding IPA and some jet black ink and gold, and again with the help of a dryer I'm trying to create ripples. Here I am taking a empty bottle and with a little amount of IPA and squeezing it to get the effect of stars. So this is how our galaxy painting turned out. Hope you like the video and thanks for watching.